friends, it's Shana and I'm back with an unboxing. So I was watching a video by Lux Mommy and she was talking about her spring and summer bags. And it really got me thinking, outside of my No ABB and then possibly my Pachette Matisse, I was like, what do I have? And so I have recently splurged and I got two things that would build out my spring summer bag collection. So the first is from my second favorite fashion house, Saint Laurent. And in here, in this beautiful envelope, it has my receipts and return information. Definitely not returning it. I've been wanting this for a while. Now, I also said this season I wanted to get more Saint Laurent bags. So this is helping me do it. It's beautiful black box, so substantial. They're after my heart. It has in there what the bag is. So you also have that. Oh, how beautiful is this? Some packaging. Nice dust bag. They have the best dust bags. And there she is. So you guys know I want a Chanel bag. I'm conflicted by the price point and some of the foreign politics of Coco Chanel. So this is in lambskin. This is one of two lambskin bags I want from YSL. This is the Becky double zip. Guys, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. How gorgeous is she? Okay, friends, if you would have seen the struggle of me trying to get that packaging off of the strap, I will do another video where you can see what fits in her and do some mod shots. But beautiful gold hardware, as you can see, that was important to me. And the small leather strap for the top where it hits your shoulder, which is really nice. Come on, how beautiful is the YSL? I'm like so ready for the lambskin. Thank you, Saint Laurent. So inside of the front pocket, it has her little date code. There is a space in the middle. Definitely contemplating putting my phone there. It definitely will fit. In the back, you see there's a card holder. I don't typically use those. And it also says Saint Laurent Paris. And something else, but I can't really see it. So just once again, let's turn her around so you can get into this beautiful lambskin. It looks so aged and pretty. Let me turn this here. One of the things, see it? Do you see the Saint Laurent Paris on the zip? That I love as well. The stitching is beautiful. Guys, I can't wait to show you what fits, some mod shots later, as well as just later on, just a review. But I'm really excited about this bag. Welcome, Miss Becky, to the collection, and being one of my new spring summer bags. Can't wait to get her out. Let me know if you have this bag in the comments. What has been your experience? Do you love it? Do you like it? Hi friends, so really quickly, I did some mod shots for you. Oh my goodness, it fits so nice. Long strap. You might be able to hear Santana. And it just hits me on the waist so nicely. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. And I hope to see you back soon. Bye, friends.